I'm Sai Chaitanya. Welcome back to my channel Sai Tech. In this video, I'll be doing the screen recording features comparison test between the Realme X7 Pro versus the Realme X2 Pro device. As you can see, friends, right now I'm using the both phones from the Realme brand alone. And recently, I did receive the software update in the Realme X7 Pro device, and I also received the update in the Realme X2 Pro as well. So after the update, let's see, friends, whether is there any change in terms of the screen recording features in both the smartphones or not. And in case if you want to download this live wallpaper regarding this Cyberpunk live wallpaper, so make sure to stay tuned for that video, friends, and also to check the links in description for the live wallpaper playlist. You can find the playlist videos, and not only the videos for the wallpapers, even there is a playlist for the smartphones as well. So try to check the playlist of Realme X1 Pro in case if you're planning to buy this phone. So if you are thinking of buying one, so many users, they are really confused whether to wait for this phone or to buy the Realme X2 Pro device. So that video playlist will be helping a lot in terms of deciding whether to buy or not. So as you can see, friends, Dimensity 1000 Plus versus Snapdragon 855 Plus and Realme X1 Pro and Realme X2 Pro device. So first, quickly let me try to show you the screen recording of features what are available in the smartphones. So if you tap on the screen recording, you do get the settings option. So let me try to quickly show you the interface how it looks here. So let me tap on the screen recording. So even the both screen recordings are tapped right now. Let me try to select the settings, and both are having the same kind of options, as you can see, friends. So there is nothing much difference here. So let me quickly select the more settings. So let's see what different settings we'll be finding in depth here. So first option, let me try to disable this. So let me move it top, so you'll know exactly what features. So the first is that recording system sound is available in both phones, and recording microphone sound is also present in both phones. And next is the video resolution. So this is where the things will get interesting in the Realme X7 Pro, friends. So this is what I like in the Realme X7 Pro. So you do have so much of customization, friends, in the Realme X7 Pro device. So much means so much. This is the customization is a next level. I did not find this kind of customization in any other smartphone right now which I'm having. Definitely when compared to OnePlus or Redmi or Poco. So this kind of usefulness is really beneficial for the most of the gamers. So first thing is that you do have options similarly like the Realme X2 Pro. As you can see, top 4 options are similar, and one thing is that by default, if it stays in the 1080 in both the phones, what happens is you won't be able to see any of those options. So if you want to see the options, you need to use the customize options here. So these are very useful features where the Realme, they are very good at updating the continuously. So as you can see, friends, if you choose the customized option, you do get a resolution you can select. So this resolution is also present on the top. Then what is the use of this one? So the use of this one is that you can select the bitrate how much you want. So if you select the 16 Mbps, as you can see, friends, this will even show you the size, estimated size approximately for the 5 minutes of video clip. That's another seriously good thing to know how much size you are consuming for different settings. And actual size is also pretty close to this demonstrated size, friends. I did a video on that one as well. But overall, friends, is kind of having this kind of flexibility where you can select how much bitrate you want and see the size as well. For 5 minutes clip, 37 MB. So for 1 hour, how much it will take. So for 30 minutes, how much it will take. You can calculate, and depending on that, you can choose different settings here. So this will be really useful for most of the users. So this is the option which is hidden here in the screen recording. So first, if it is selected the medium, you won't be able to see. So that's why you need to select the customize option here. So even you do have resolution. If you decrease the resolution, the size of the video will be also be decreased and increased depending on that one. And for more interesting videos, make sure to subscribe to my channel, friends, Sai Tech Guru. And one thing is that if you decrease the resolution, as you can see, friends, the size is not decreasing. That is pretty weird, as you can see. So right now I selected a 720 resolution, and only the size is changing when the bit rate is changing, as you can see, friends. And it also says that the video quality under this resolution and the bit rate is clear. That will give you the clear indication that the video recording, it's going to be screen recording, it's going to be very good. So let me try to decrease the resolution, as you can see here, ultra clear, as you can see, and 1080. In 1080, if you use 1 bit rate, blurry, and 4 is clear. and 8 is also clear, and 16 is ultra clear. So this is how you can calculate, and the size is not changing when you change the resolution, as you can see, friends. This is one other thing you need to remember as well. And thank you, friends, for watching this video. This is a quick comparison, and overall the screen recording options and features which is present in both the smartphones X7 Pro and X2 Pro are kind of same. Even though the Realme X2 Pro is 1 year old mobile, but still it has got the same kind of features which is present in the X7 Pro. That's a good relief for a few of the users. And thank you for watching this video, friends. For more interesting videos, make sure to subscribe to my channel, SciTech Guru, and see you in the next video. Until then, bye.